How to change the email on your Amazon account. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. Now what you have to do is navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, different sections will appear. Navigate to the your account section. Under that, you're gonna find different option. Scroll down and click on the option login and security. Now head over to this option edit for the email address. Now from this page you can easily change your email address. Go ahead and type in the new email address that you want to set for your Amazon account. After you type in that, click on continue. Now you will be receiving 6-digit code in your email address that you have just entered. Check your mail and type in that code over here. After you type in that code, click on the option continue, and just with that your new email address will be updated. Type in your password and then click on save changes. And you can see that new email address has been linked to your Amazon account. So this is how you can easily change the email on your Amazon account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.